And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is RGTI. This morning we're seeing major downwards pressure. Stick around. I'm going to give you my insight and thoughts on what to expect here for today's trading. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out PDYN, which is currently seeing a breakout here in today's pre-market trading. If you were a part of the Discord, then you actually caught this alert in real time. I alerted PDYN for the entry price of $4.02, labeling that price target $4.44 plus. This was back on Christmas Eve, just 6 days ago. And if we take a brief look and check out the high of that 1548, that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is click that Discord link in the description below and let the gains begin. But my expectations here for PDYN is bullish, and I do feel as though that this thing has more room to run this week. So stick around. You may want to listen to what I have to say here, and don't forget I will be going live over on my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money. We're currently on the road to 40,000 subscribers, guys. So when you do subscribe, can you please take the time out and make sure that notification bell is set to all, and that live starts at 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before market open, and you do not want to miss out on these real-time alerts. In fact, I will have this video posted at the end of this one so you can get that notification a little bit easier. So with no further ado, let's talk about PDYN first. As you guys can see here, we are above that upper here on that Bollinger Band. But if we take a brief look and check out the day chart here really quickly, we are severely overbought here in that case. But looking at today's breakout, coming off of that capital trend of massive net outflow in favorment, which points to two stacked heavily short days here coming off of here the 27th and the 26th. And just looking at those short sell analysis from Thursday and Friday, no slouch at all. Even though that we did fall short of a 8% short sell ratio, that total short volume is extremely high in comparison to the total trading volume, and that matter here from the previous days. Total trading volume coming in at 4 million here. On the high side of things was 10 million, but here 5 million shares were sold short on Thursday, and 5 million was sold short here on Friday. Those 2 days stacked short positions is making for a massive short cover wave to take place here today. Now, I do feel as though that this thing is going to see a higher share price than what we see here on that 1548 here on the day. But my end of the week price prediction here for PDYN, ladies and gentlemen, sits between $17 and $19. If you're still holding the stock, let me know in the comment section below by commenting the ticker symbol. Last but not least, we're going to take a brief look and check out RGTI. And if you're still holding this thing, can you please do me one huge favor and comment the words "still holding"? I want to know how many people didn't fold during this downwards pressure. Now, if we take a brief look and just check out the 3-minute chart here really quickly, as you guys can see here, we're trading heavily alongside that lower here on the Bollinger Band. Seems as though that we just challenged the mid and got rejected. I will keep my eyes closely on that moving forward, but it does seem as though that the entire sector as a whole is currently seeing downwards pressure here in today's pre-market trading. Not only RGT, one of our other favorites here on the channel, QUBT, is also seeing some pre-market downwards pressure. Also QBTS and a lot of other quantum computing stocks. Others like and AI stocks are currently down here in today's pre-market trading. Palantir as well. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite stocks in the market, is also down here in today's pre-market trading. So I don't have too much concern about the pre-market price action that we're currently seeing here in RGTI. Like I told you guys before, a end of the year sell-off for tax reasons only, but I don't see RGTI actually crossing those danger levels around those $13.50 levels. That would be a danger sign for me to actually fold and move on, but I don't see us actually going that low. Currently here, seeing as low that we dropped as low as that 1543. We stand a great chance to actually dip slightly below that, ladies and gentlemen, back towards those $15 sub 15.25 level. $15.25 sub, but not under $15. I don't see that actually happening. But if it does, this thing can get out of hand pretty darn quickly. Just looking at the current, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this on the screen due to the way OBS is currently set up here, but if we go to our bid and ask here early this morning and check out that pre-market, as you guys can see here, we currently have a slightly higher active buy than the sale. Let's just get those two here. As you guys can see here, the active buy is slightly outpacing the active sale, but they are pretty darn close. With that being said, if we continue to see that active sale pick up here and overtake that active buy, then again things can get out of hand quickly. Now, as far as a short cover taking place here throughout the trading day, it's not seeming as though that may take place, but if we do see market conditions change here throughout the trading day, then also I do feel as though that the quantum computing space will also change in that upwards direction as well. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, don't forget to consider joining the Discord server so you will not miss out on any of these home run plays like you see here today. Another one was AMPG. I alerted this here on Friday, okay, for the entry price of $5.73, with that price target being $6.10 plus, labeling this a swing trade in here today. If we take a brief look and check out AMPG, as you guys can see, it has hit a nice high here in today's pre-market of a $7.69 high, and I do feel as though that this stock also has more room to run, ultimately breaking that pre-market high here throughout the trading day. So if you did catch that alert over in the Discord, don't forget to give yourself a pat on the back and drop those gains over in the MEM testimonials so you can share to others, of course, the type of gains that you're making over in the Discord, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.